As we age, one of the biggest skin concerns many people notice is the loss of firmness and elasticity. Skin may begin to look loose, thin, creepy, and even start to sag. While the skincare industry offers countless creams, serums, and expensive treatments that promise tighter skin, scientific research suggests that certain natural plant-based ingredients can actually increase skin elasticity and tightness, giving results similar to some medical treatments. So here are some plant-based treatments. Now, almost everyone has been conditioned to think that firming and tightening the skin require expensive serums, a laser appointment, or even an invasive procedure. And yes, of course, many of those things do help, but research and science show that certain plant-based oils contain beneficial compounds such as antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamins that nourish the skin and support key structural proteins such as collagen and elastin. These proteins act as the skin's support system, helping it stay smooth, firm, and youthful. When collagen and elastin break down over time, the skin becomes more prone to wrinkles, sagging, and creepiness. So, I've recently gone into a deep dive on clinical research on these oils, and I have narrowed it down to the few that we are going to talk about in today's video. A few of these you might already have heard of or even have in your house. Some of them might surprise you. So let's get into it. So starting with number one, and that would be rosemary oil. Known for its benefits in hair and scalp care, rosemary oil also has impressive skin forming science behind it. Rosemary contains a compound called rosemary acid. It's a potent antioxidant that helps tighten skin by neutralizing free radicals that break down collagen and elastin fibers. It improves blood circulation, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients to skin cells, which supports healthier and stronger skin. Next up, castor oil. Another highly beneficial oil is castor oil, and there's a lot of information about castor oil out there. It's probably perhaps one of the most studied over time and has been around forever, but it is still one of the most underestimated oils when it comes to skin lifting and tightening. Though commonly associated with hair growth, castor oil also helps maintain skin firmness. Its main active compound, ricinoleic acid, which makes up almost 90% of castor oil, supports collagen production, while its thick texture helps lock moisture into the skin. And this is something that's not found in any other natural oil. The deep hydration can plump the skin, soften fine lines, and in clinical studies has been shown to improve skin thickness over time. Both rosemary oil and castor oil have similar application instructions. A little bit of these two oils goes a long way, and in the case of rosemary oil, it should be used with a carrier oil such as olive oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, or even olive oil will work. In case of castor oil, use a carrier oil only if you have a sensitive skin or you're prone to clogged pores or acne, or if castor oil feels too thick or sticky, or if you're applying it over a large area like whole face or neck. In that case, the carrier oil will help the absorption of castor oil into your skin smoothly. Next up, jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is another excellent choice because its structure closely resembles the skin's natural oils. This allows it to absorb easily without clogging pores. It signals to your skin barrier that it is now balanced, improves moisture retention, and helps regulate oil production. Jojoba is naturally high in vitamin E, which is a clinically proven antioxidant that protects your skin, collagen, and elastin from oxidative stress. So if you have excessive oily or excessively dry skin, jojoba oil is amazing at treating both. Jojoba oil is also one of the most universally tolerated oils across all skin types. Doesn't need to be diluted to be used. It can be applied anytime, day or night, as a moisturizing booster. You can even add it to your own moisturizing products. Next, we have evening primrose oil. And evening primrose is where the science of these types of oils get really compelling, especially for anyone dealing with loss of elasticity due to hormonal changes. For mature or hormonally stressed skin, evening primrose oil can be especially helpful. It is rich in gamma linolenic acid, GLA, an essential fatty acid that supports skin structure and hydration. As we age, natural GLA levels decline, contributing to dryness, thinning skin, wrinkles, and reduced elasticity. Clinical studies have shown that applying evening primrose oil restores moisture and improves firmness, especially in mature skin. Next up, grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is best for dry, hormonally distressed skin. Use it in your evening routine, as this oil is slightly heavier than some of the others. Grapeseed oil is included in so many skincare products such as hair care, facial care, face washes, anti-aging, and moisturizing creams and serums. It is one of the most lightweight and science-validated skin healing oils. It contains a high concentration of linoleic acid, and it is rich in powerful antioxidant compounds that help fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to collagen breakdown. It also contains resveratrol, which has been studied for its role in regulating cellular repair and healthy aging. Because it absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, grapeseed oil works well for nearly all skin types. And finally, Bakuchiol, a natural plant extract, has become popular as a natural retinol alternative. It helps stimulate collagen production, improve elasticity, reduce fine lines, and fade age spots. Unlike retinol, bakuchiol is much gentler and less likely to cause dryness or irritation, making it a great option for sensitive skin. While natural oils may not completely replace professional treatments, they can play a powerful role in supporting skin health. With consistent use, these oils may help improve hydration, elasticity, firmness, and overall skin appearance, helping the skin look healthier, smoother, and more youthful. So, if you're someone who loves holistic skincare, you're going to find any of these oils or a combination of them very, very helpful. I will include the link below in the description of my recommendations for these oils. I hope you found today's video on these skin tightening oils helpful. And if you did, please like it, share it, and let me know in the comments below. Thank you as always for watching and supporting my work and my channel. I'll see you soon.